Hello, I have a couple of tricks to show you for Valentine's Day 2022, and they entail some bubble balloons, so let's get started on it. We're just going to take a bubble balloon, fill this up with your latex inflator until all of the ridges have completely disappeared so it's a nice, perfect little orb. Then we're going to take some 5-inch balloons, and what we're going to do is just fill up the 5-inch balloons with only 5 pumps each. So I'm going to take the balloon, put it down to that first nodule, hold it tight, and then I'm going to do 5 strong full pumps, and you'll hear it click each time I hit. And then I'm going to take another one. This goes 5 pumps also. Then I'm just going to wrap it twice and just tie it in a simple little knot. Now I've gone ahead of time and made up another one, so we're just going to take these 2 balloons and just marry them together so that it's one perfect little, what we call a quad or a collar. So now we're just going to take the bubble balloon, put it upside down, and I'm just going to run these balloons parallel with the seams of this so that I'm now right in the middle of this inflation valve. And once I'm here, I'm just going to take and lock these 2 balloons in place so that I have this cute little quad collar, and it really changes the entire dynamics of this bubble balloon. To take it a step further, we're just going to add a little bit of ribbon. So all we need to do is just have some pre-cut ribbon that match your balloon. Again, I'm going to hold my body against the table so that I'm hands-free, and I'm just going to take this ribbon, wrap it around, and pull it right through the middle. Super easy, super fun. So you can sell these for $12.99 all day long. So I'd have probably 6, 7, 8, 9 of these inside of your department. Now to add another dimension to this, all we have to do is just add a little bit more balloon. So let me show you how we're going to do our double collar. That starts off just like we did the first one. I have 5 pumps in each of these 5-inch balloons, and now I'm going to add my second layer. I'm going to take a darker pink, and I'm just going to take this balloon, put it down to that first nodule, hold tight, and this time I'm just going to do 3 pumps. I like to start with a pump at the down position, and then 3 pumps. Take these 2, wrap it twice just for good keeping, and then just tie it in a simple little knot. And then I'm going to take another one of these, they're called duplets, put them together, and this makes the quad. And then all we're going to do is take our balloon upside down, hands free, and I'm just going to put this right on top. And this time I'm just going to take and figure 8 my string around. Now that I have it upside down, I'm just going to take a little bit of ribbon, go all the way through, push it on in, and here we have a very cute double bubble. And these will retail for only $14.99. So something fun for your department. You can either have the $12.99 single quad or the double quad for $14.99. Well, I hope that these ideas will help you transform your department for Valentine's Day for all your important customers. And thank you so much, and I will see you soon.